Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So in Nifty we have opened positive only. In the first 5 minutes we have seen a very good sell-off and whole day it was traded in very small range only. But at 3 o'clock we have seen a very good sell-off. In Bank Nifty also we opened gap up. We have opened positive, then very good sell-off and whole day it was traded in small range and it was consolidating, and at 3 o'clock we have seen a good sell off. So let's check open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning for this expiry. So we'll follow by FII. In option index contract input, FII were holding 3,20,000 of contracts input. Now they have increased their put by 15,000 contracts. So they have 3,36,000 contracts of put buying. And in call, they have 1,33,000 contracts of call buying. Now they have unwinded their call by 29,000 contracts. So they have 1 lakh contracts in call buying. So what they have planned, they have decreased the longs and increased their shorts. It means they are very much bearish in options. And in future index, they have reduced their longs today and again increased their shorts by 3%. So 15% long they have and 85% short they have. And in future stock percentage also they have reduced their longs and increased their short by 1%. So they have 48% long and 52% short. And we have seen a very good sell-off by FII in cash flow today for 4,612 crores. Huge selling they are doing continuously. So they are very much bearish. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 2,73,000 contracts of put writing. Now today they have added 1,46,000 contracts in put writing. So they have 4,20,000 of put writing now. And in call, they were holding 27,000 call writing. Today, they have unwinded these whole contracts and made a fresh call buying of 1,87,000 contracts. So, they are very much bullish in options. And in future index, they have reduced 1% long and increased 1% short. So, they have 69% long, 31% short they have. And in stock future percentage, no changes, 83% long and short 17 percentage. And they sold for 19.56 crores only. But client are very much positive they are. They are ultra bullish now. Bullish in options, bullish in future index, bullish in stock futures. So they are very much bullish. Promoters. Input they were holding 82,000 of put writing. Today they have unwinded this whole put writing and made a fresh put buying of 49,000 contracts. And in call they were holding 1 lakh of call writing. Today they have added call writing by 1 lakh 86,000 contracts. So they have 2 lakh 92,000 call writing. So these two are bearish positions they have made in options. And in future index they have added the longs, reduced the shorts by 5%. So they have 62% long and 38% short. It means they have booked the profit in short today, 5%. And in stock future percentage, they have added 1% long and reduced 1% short. So they have 73% long and 27% short. And in cash flow, they have added purchase for 27 crores. So the view of promoter, see this too is hedging position, negative and positive. This is a positive positions. So they have made a very good stock longs in futures, and they are also purchasing in cash a small amount, but they are purchasing in cash and hedging the positions. So no view as of now, but they don't want to miss the rally if suddenly a good rally comes, so they have hedged the positions and making long here in future stocks. So today the DII contributed 2,430 crores. So the total of cash flow was 2173 crores negative selling figure. So that's why we have seen a very good sell off after 3. That was due to the FII selling in cash market. OI PCR. So PCR for Nifty today was 0.53 and for month end is 1.09. For Bank Nifty today was 0.69 and for month end 0.98. So as per the PCR, this is a good time to purchase Nifty and Bank Nifty for for coming week. Let's check the price action. So we'll go with global market first. So Nasdaq today they are trading with 105 points negative. They have open gap down and very good pullback has came and they are trading with negative figures. Dow Jones is positive now. It has recovered from lower levels. 132 points positive now. So at last moment we have seen a rise in the India VIX. So this rise was caused due to the high selling by FII in cash market. After 250 we have seen this. So this is a good time for the option buyers to make money. So the people who purchase the put they have made a very good money here in Nifty and Bank Nifty after 3 o'clock. So let's check what for tomorrow. So in Nifty for tomorrow, see this should be a very good support. 16,900 to 17,000 should be a very good support and we can see a recovery from these levels. If we had a very good gap down open, then also we can see a very good recovery. So for Bank Nifty, so again for Bank Nifty, see Bank Nifty is almost trading at their support levels only. 38,800 should be a very good support. So it has broken its levels. Now this should act as a level 38,500. 38,400 to 500 should act as a very good support now. Bank Nifty actually don't have any good major support as of now. So what if Nifty broke these levels 16,900, then we can also see a very good sell off also. If we are not taking support of the 16,900, then we can see a good sell off. Last support should be 16,780, 700 to 780, 750 also we can take as a good support. If not, again we can also see a good sell off in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. We don't have a major support anyway now. So as per the open interest analysis, we are almost bearish. The market is very much bearish as per the big players. The FII and promoters have made a short positions only. So what for tomorrow when we get a very good trade on a higher side, only selling. Sell on rise should be the strategy on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Only sell on rise because we don't have any good numbers on a positive side for the big players. We have only negative figures. See, this negative figures by FII in options and these two negative figures by promoters. So we have negative figures only. So if a client is going to trap if we fall more. So strategy should be sell on rise. So even if we see tomorrow a very good buying figure, if the market is going up, then also don't get trapped on a positive side. There will be good selling coming soon. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.